This video, what I'm going to do is go over an oversized golf umbrella. Check this thing out. So I just got this in and I wanted to kind of like show y'all and do a quick little walk through and show you how cool this thing is. So number one, it has a strap. You see how it has a strap right there? This is the cover. The cover comes out the top right there. And to take this cover off, you're just going to pull it like that. And then undo this right here. There's a button right here, and watch this, everybody. When I hit that button, well, undo both straps. So as soon as you undo the both straps right there, go like that. Watch that. Look at the size of this umbrella. So the one I have, it's a 52-inch across the top, across the arch up here. It's 47 in the center. But one thing that really makes this stand apart, I don't know if you can see that in the camera, this is a fiberglass shaft. This is a paper light umbrella, but it feels very strong. This has a very strong feel to it. It weighs just barely over a pound, looking at the size of this thing, which is very impressive. It has this EVA foam grip right here, so it's a non-slip grip, so even when it's wet it's not going to blow out of your hands. And this has this vented, I don't know if you can see these vents inside of here, so these vents are for when the wind blows, the wind will blow through there and it won't fold your umbrella up. So it's actually strategically designed for that reason. And it's got a waterproof membrane on the top. This is great for sun, rain, pretty much if you're out in the sun a lot. See how I can cast shade over us with this thing. Let me just kind of like show you taking it back down. So this one, you just grab it, pull on it right there, and that's it. And you get the two little Velcro straps that go around, but check it out. Check out how fast you can get that thing out. Very impressive. And you can twirl it around like Mary Poppins there. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got for the, the golf umbrella with fiberglass shaft. See y'all in the next video.